Well, let me first start off by saying that me and Mr. Jack, we're going to go down here to where we were yesterday just walking and take a couple hours spin. Yesterday I stopped by one of the local hardware stores and got this stainless steel U-bolt. And I was going to take it by Fast Eddie's house and get him to cut it off right there. Move this nut over there, bend it out a little bit and cut it off about right here and make me a scoop dragger that he could weld to this solid one that he makes. Just weld the nuts in place. That way this could pivot back and forth like this. See? But little did I know that Ed is a psychic reader kind of guy. So about a half hour ago, he called me. He says, Max, I'm coming by. I got something for you. I said, okay. What do you got? I knew he had repaired Timmy's scoop. Timmy's aluminum scoop had become really worn out bad. I mean, he squared it off right here, but that's about where it was, and he squared it off here so it was square, and he put this stainless lip on it. He put stainless screws through there, and then he went inside and he ground them off and welded the tops of them. So now Timmy's got this really nice repaired aluminum scoop with a stainless lip. That looks like a fine taquito right there, boys. This is originally a Bill Babb scoop that he got from Bill Babb, I'd say 10 years ago. It's the first scoop Timmy ever had. He had another one just like it, but the Sea Surf God got it at the Northern Territory last year. We'll see, he'll probably use this as a spare since he's got that other Stava scoop now. Stand by. This is the dragger, the second dragger he made for Timmy. Timmy wanted a wider one and a little bit longer. I don't know exactly why, but he thinks he wants it wider and deeper. So that's what Ed made for him. He dropped it off this morning along with his scoop and a couple other doodads that Timmy wanted. But anyway, what I was talking about being a psychic reader was, I just showed you that U-clamp with the nuts that I was going to take over to him, and Lord and behold, he pulls this out of his truck. All I got to do is put it on my belt. He don't think I'm going to like it. He thinks it's just irritating, but if I want to drag my scoop, I just hook it on there. If I want to cradle it, I just stick it on there. If I don't want to use it at all, I push it off out of the way. It's just a stainless piece of steel, bent. We put two little wings down there. Put a welded nut-like cover on top of it. Can't go nowhere. Better than sliced bread. Cool deal right there. I'm going to try it out maybe tomorrow. Today I'm going to try it out the solid one. I'm just taking Junior to the dampish Ed dry sand with Jack. And I take my regular scoop. Okay, we inbound. Stand by. On a side note, when my buddy Toddy was here, Toddy from Scotland, if you remember, the end of the first week in July, I believe. He came over for a week. He does every year. He brought me a brand new Fisher hat and a brand new Fisher pouch. Well, it rained so much yesterday. This pouch, my Anderson pouch, and my local club pouch. This one's bad and faded, you can see. But I've had it a long time. They're both drowned it from the rain. So I'm going to revert and use this dry, nice Fisher pouch today and see what I can put in it. Fisher Labs. Mine Lab heater, Fisher bag. Stava scoop. Stand by. We still got some waves from that storm, from that northeaster that we're having. You can see it's beautiful over here. Only 2 cold chips. It's a little cloudy right through here. But but it's a nice day. Nice and warm, got some breeze. Beautiful day for a spin. Stand by. I got a really funny sound. I'm using 99 tones today. I don't usually use before, but I'm trying 99 today. Look at this. Oops, wait a minute. There we go. 22, 14, 12, 18. So that's two of us. That's two of us that don't know what this is. Stand by. Let's find out. Well, out of the sound it reads 14, but it still jumps around some. Anybody care to take a guess what that is? Let's see. From up here, it looks like a nickel. I don't know what it is. Stand by. Let's find out. 5 meager cents. I can't see the date till I get home. Stand by. Everything. The nickel was right there. Here we got something else right next to it, about a foot away. Aha! Aha! The culprit. Bud Light. Strong 38, 40, 42. $40 seems to be the best of it. Canadian penny, of all things. Strong, repeatable 32. $34. It's big though, big target. It was big, all right. You can see the waves almost rush right up here to where we are. We're not far, we're just up the beach, a short ways. But some of them bigger ones will rush right up here and try to get us. Strong 30, strong. Strong 30 is a strong zipper. I believe this is the first time I ever found a whole zipper. Nice, take it. $248. And a minus. And 46. Section 8 seems to be the best of it. Stand by. Jack says, man, my tongue's hanging out. I like it right here in the shade. See the shade where we are? Good breeze blowing. Got the tunnel to keep the sun off of. Jack says, stay here for 2 hours. No, we can't stay here, Jack. We gotta go. My treasure. The wave's coming after you, Jack. Watch out. Well, I don't know how far we've been, but the orange roundabout, you think right down there, we gotta go back. I don't know how far it is, that distance. Like a father and a son, or a son and a granddad, or something fishing. Don't see much activity over that way. Some eye candy right now. My age kind of eye candy. Looks pretty good, dude. All sun burning off. 34 right here, strong 34. Big set of keys. Stand by. They don't look too old. Design on them. They got something on them, but I can't read it until I get home. But they're in good shape. Like a new drop. A little rust around the key ring, but that's to be expected. Stand by. On a side note, I did get 2 good reports from the land of Nada. No gold, but the fast man almost dug $6 worth of clad yesterday evening, almost $6. That's a big improvement. And my buddy Rick from PA's in town said he did pretty good, and he talked to the unknown man, and the unknown man did pretty good on clad. No gold for the 3. I think some silver from one of them, or maybe from 2. I'm not sure. I forget now. But anyway, that's an improvement from the land of Nada. I'm probably going down there in the morning. Crack of dawn. Oh, stand by.